We're here at the Clear Lake day use area, Rustic Log Shelter, and look at how beautiful this is. Loving these stone steps. Can I interest you in a rustic log cabin shelter? I'm standing here in the Clear Lake day use rustic log shelter here in Willamette National Forest, Oregon. You can see a little board in front of the fireplace, meaning they don't want you to use it. Got this really nice long picnic table right here. Let me pan up and show you construction. This is legit. And a little commemorative thing right there, digging it. Here is our view of Clear Lake from the covered rustic log shelter. I also love this cobblestone style flooring and stairs. Gives it a rustic feel. Here's our signage. We're here at Clear Lake Trail, Willamette National Forest, Central Oregon. Walking by our rustic log cabin shelter. Clear Lake Resort day use area, myriad of picnic tables, this old growth forest wonderland. This trail circumnavigates beautiful Clear Lake. This is not your run-of-the-mill forest lake. It's a particularly spectacular zone. The other side of the lake is actually a lava rock wonderland zone, about 3,000 years old. This is an old growth forest comprised of maples, alders, and Douglas fir. And there's a very high quality bridge just on the other side of the lake. If we walk down here a little bit, we'll get to a bridge, and that is the headwinds for Mackenzie River. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. Mackenzie River is a national wild and scenic river. That's the river that ultimately creates Koosah and Sahalie Falls, a couple minutes down the highway. One of the highest quality waterfall loops in the entire state of Oregon. Pretty darn epic. Also have the Mackenzie River National Recreation Trail, hiking trail with national recognition that parallels beautiful Mackenzie River. So particularly spectacular zone. I will also say on the opposite side of the lake is Water Cove, very high quality forest campground, which I highly recommend. In fact, I have reviews of Water Cove available on my channel. And let's continue to hike along. Oh, it's just such a beautiful area. There's something about the old growth majesty of Willamette National Forest. I think Mount Hood National Forest also has some of the same qualities. It's almost a mystical quality. It just kind of has this natural serenity that is very soothing and beautiful. There's our Clear Lake glistening in the morning sun. It is approximately 8:40 a.m. April 10th, 2025. Kind of in that transition season, driving through the area, and snow level is kind of difficult to figure out where it is unless you actually physically come here with your own two eyes and see where it is. Some areas are pretty snowed in. This area is obviously accessible, at least this first half of it. I did read, ooh, look at that. I'll also show you there's a little trail down. I'll take this. I did read from All Trails as of a couple weeks ago there was 3 feet of snow in some areas, but I'm not seeing any snow now. Oh, this is beautiful. See right there, you can see the little tip of the mountain, and that's framing a beautiful, glistening, clear lake. As we continue along, there's a thoughtfully positioned bench right here to my right, maybe presumably with views, yeah, of the mountain peak. They're thoughtful when they craft an area such as this. Oh, this is gorgeous. A lot of old growth beauty in this area. I am digging it. Starting to hear the sound of rushing water, which is always a invigorating sound, gets you excited about what's around the next bend. See some rushing water down there, a mini waterfall. And we're coming up to a smaller mini footbridge. This isn't the big bridge. This is like a mid-transition bridge. We will come take this. So very beautiful. Rustic log design. Very nice. Got a lot of snowmelt going on, so particularly gracious flow right here. And look at this bridge. This is gorgeous. I love a good rustic log bridge like this. This is epic. Let me turn here. Look at that. That is gorgeous. As we continue to hike along, we pan up here and just show you the awesome towering trees in this old growth forest wonderland. This is legit, my friend. Loving the morning glisten of Clear Lake. We are above Clear Lake, paralleling the shoreline. Not directly shoreline, but enjoying a pretty epic swath of old growth Willamette National Forest as we basically hiking the length of Clear Lake. I wouldn't say Clear Lake is a gigantic lake by any stretch of the imagination, but is a beautiful lake.